Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We got ourselves a new project here, a new toy. This is a 2008 Aliner Classic. Seen some better days, but overall in definitely decent condition to restore. I just went and sealed around all the vents and stuff yesterday. Cleaned her up. She's been gutted, but they gave me all of the stuff. I have the Subaru full couple modifications they've done, removing the kitchen and stuff. Brand new tires on it. Here's the bad. The springs actually blew through the back. So I've been looking at this. This side's actually super solid. So it's just removing the springs, putting a new piece of wood in here, and rebuilding this corner. The other side's a little bit more damaged, as you guys probably know. It's got the little storage compartment here, so they put wood all the way up to here. So this is a little bit rotted in here. But again, not too bad of a task. Going up in, like I said, it's already being gutted. So there we go. There's the corners right there. There's the one that's covered. There's the other one. And you can see the reason why they blew out is the springs actually bent and hit that outside wall. That side's actually still pretty decent. So we got to rebuild that. Overall, it's in pretty good shape. Little sponginess right here on the floor, but on the bottom it's still solid. So I'm just going to take off all the old flooring and new subfloor in here. Inverter all works. Heaters over there, it works, they said. The fridge works still, the 3-way. This side's really clean. The owners I bought it from got it in 2018, and it leaked when they got it, and this ceiling was like this when they got it. Had these little ripples. Just needs a nice wash on it. Some new screws around the outside there. Have to do some seals on the walls down in here, which again is normal. It just needs a good cleaning. All the windows work. The door's got the normal drop right there, so I just have to fix that a little bit. But overall, it's super clean. Super clean. I will try and record or stream as much as possible. At least this stuff back here, because this one's going to be super easy. Like I said, I've got everything for it. I even have the original trim pieces, like the front here, and they were taken off before it blew out the back, so they're actually in perfect condition, which are hard to find. So what the goal is, I'm just going to order another diamond plate just like this for the back once it's done. So once I fix the wood in the corner, caulk everything back down, diamond plate the whole thing, re-silicone everything, or at least diamond plate it to like halfway or something like that, right above the lights or something, I don't know. Either way, gotta go up there and clean it. Probably change out the bungees too, just because that's always smart. It seems like that one right there is in rough condition. So let's just drill out the rivets on those, change that out. It shouldn't be too hard. But overall, guys, it's a project. I'm excited. I've rebuilt a trailer before, similar size. It wasn't a pop-up, but these are frameless trailers, so they don't even have like any spots for mice or anything to go into. It's all foam. Just the corners are wood. Just the corners where the springs are wood, and then obviously the wood plywood on the inside. But guys, I'm gonna take you guys through the journey of rebuilding this thing. 2008 Aliner Classic. It's gonna be fun. Gotta show the base. So everyone likes to see the frame. Yeah, there we go. Overall, super clean. And the spongy spot, which is over here, right here in the middle is like really solid. Sorry about that, camera ran out of space, I guess, but yeah, it's super solid down here, like I said. So just rebuild into the frame and then go from there. Maybe even weld on a new frame member in the middle there. But like I said, no drooping down here. It looks really clean all down here. But yeah, tune in, guys. I'll make as many videos as I can make. She's a beaut. She's definitely a beaut. The goal is, like I said, remove the springs and add some 60-pound struts to the back here and some 70-pound struts to the front to make it easier to open and close. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Peace, love, and cheers.